Okay, a couple of things lined with Banggood that I've picked up, and I wanted to share that with you since you're going to start listening from them again. First of all, they have coupons up the yin yang. Alexa, volume down. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to default these prices all back to what they are on the site. I want to see if we can generate some sales. First thing you want to look at is these flash deals. Yeah, flash deals. Where are they? I think they're here. So, like this one, sold 4%. They're even giving you like an indication of how well they've sold. So this one is sold 27. I wonder if this has shipping. Let's see. Free shipping. Alright, now, see this thing that says warehouse? You gotta look at it. If it says CN, that means it only comes from China. And as a consequence, we need to make the handling time on this a day longer. So these handling times are going to be 4 days. So for these, I got to show you how to adjust those. But for now, just make it, well, wait a minute. I'll go to the post because I asked this question before. Alright, so what we have here is the instructions. Revise on the listing. I may have to show you how to do this. I'm not real sure either. So anyway, stick with the one. Well, let me see if we can go through this right now. I'll look at a Banggood listing and try to do that. So how you find Banggood listings, just so you kind of know a little bit about SKU Grid. This is kind of training for you. You go to My Items, and then we're going to filter by Banggood, right there. And then it'll kick back all the ones that are Banggood. So let's take a look at this one. Let's see first of all if it's a China warehouse. Okay, my computer's locking up. Come on. Come on. I don't like this. Here we go. Alright. So let's see if this is China warehouse only. Yeah. It's only China. So we need to add an extra day to this. So instead of 3, this should be 4. So how do we do that? Alright. I'm going to have to probably set a shipping policy called China. So let's go to the eBay listing. Revise. Go down here to shipping policies. I think we're going to have to create one. Let me see if I can do that. Create. We'll just call it shipping from China. Bang. Good. Vendor. Allow extra time. Now we're not going to charge shipping, but we need to put in this let's see, it's coming from overseas, and it's not expedited. We'll call it freight. Alright, and cost is free. But basically what this does is it allows for longer handling. Well, no. We'll call it standard shipping from outside US. because that gives us 5 to 10 business days, and that's going to be good for us. So we save and close that. So now, whenever you run into one of these, you can only get a Chinese warehouse. We need to do that shipping. So, come on, get out of here. Alright, so let's go down here and update. Let me look for another one, make sure that it's there, because you'll need to do this when you revise. So let's look for another Banggood. Let's look at this one. Okay. Looks like it's only China warehouse again. Alright, so we need to change this one to that shipping from China. So this is how you do it. You go to the eBay listing, revise, shipping from China. Should be in here. I saved it. Why is it not here? This is what aggravates me. Let me pause it for a second.